Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust scrolling speed on 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless. To do it, go to the settings in 3Dconnexion home, then go to advanced settings, and now you'll find mouse wheel speed. Then you can change it to either lines and select how many lines of text it'll scroll by, or one page, one screen. That's quite a lot. I can demonstrate that on an example of a browser. Let's go to any browser, any at all, any website. I mean, like for example, hard reset, and you can see if I scroll like really fast. You can see, yeah, that's just one scroll. So I'm gonna go back to lines. I think free is like the default option and it's the most useful for me, but if you want you can change it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.